What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out this Smart Chime from Unifi for my Unifi doorbell. Let's get this thing open and check it out. Alright, so you might have seen my other video on the Unifi doorbell. That thing's awesome, but we're going to be talking about this chime today. My Unifi doorbell does not ring my chimes from my pre-existing doorbell system, so we're going to be setting this thing up to take the place of my old ringers. The packaging is super nice, and for those of you that don't know, Unifi was founded by a former Apple executive, so it kind of has that same aesthetic, that same peel that you get from iPhone products. So the box is pretty small. I don't expect there to be a lot in here. Right away they give you a shot at the instructions via QR code on the package. Pretty cool. Inside you have another card with what looks like more instructions. Probably the same instructions, just a different QR code. Pretty cool. They really want you to go online and get the instructions. What's good about that is if they update the instructions, you don't need new packaging. You can just go look online. So this thing is about what I expected. It's pretty much like a Glade plug-in or something like that. It's just a plug with a reset button on it and nothing else really on the body of the thing. And on the other side, you have a little Wi-Fi logo, and there's supposed to be a little display under here to let you know when the doorbell is working and trying to connect. So it installs just like you think. You basically plug it in, and when you plug it in, you get this little light telling you that it's ready to be set up. It's searching and doing whatever it's supposed to be doing, basically letting you know it's on. Once you've plugged in your doorbell, pretty much open up the Unifi Protect app and just kind of wait. As long as you're close to the device, it'll just pop up. It tells you you're close to it. It kind of finds it by Bluetooth. You click add, and what it does is the chime itself does a sweep for all the Wi-Fi locally, and then you pick the Wi-Fi you want to use, type in the password, and then click OK. That's pretty much it. You name the device, spell it wrong, and then set the volume. You can click test even. This is what it sounds like. Pretty cool. It'd be awesome if you could change that or upload your own recordings. That'd be kind of funny, but yeah, then that's pretty much it. This thing's pretty versatile, gets the job done, and it's one of those things that just needs to do what it's supposed to do, which is ring when you push a button. Thanks for checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.